passionate. I work hard so when it pop, it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go, better watch your...
Hi love, so this is a snippet of my closet. If you're interested in the full thing, please check out my new channel, Daquana's Feeds, Reads, and Deeds. Over there you will find a full closet tour, in depth, and also where everything like the shelves and stuff are from. However, this video is Poshmark is helping me clean out my closet. So I did partner with Poshmark to get rid of a few things. As you can see, I have quite a few pieces in here. And this is not, I still have loads of laundry to do. And I have a bunch of stuff from old hauls that I haven't hung up yet. And also, I have new stuff for hauls that I haven't even hauled yet. So, I'm up. And y'all, not to mention, I have two of the long bins full of clothes that is already going to be on the Poshmark closet. So my link is down below, and I encourage you to download Poshmark if you don't have it already. If you're looking to make extra coins from stuff in your closet or just extra stuff that you have, or if you just want to shop my closet. You guys know that I usually do it on, I'm just going to take you on a little tour, but not too much while I talk. So I usually do my closet sales on my website, but Poshmark is actually making it easier for me. Poshmark sends over free, well, not free, but Poshmark has a flat rate shipping, and also Poshmark sends over prepaid shipping labels. So this will make my life and my assistant's life way easier. So I will insert snippets on how to use the Poshmark app. Some good finds that I found: Louis Vuitton, Adidas, what else did I find? Christian Louis Vuitton as well. You know, I don't plan on purchasing them. I heard they're uncomfortable. But yes, I'm very excited for this video. I have a few things in my Poshmark closet already, but I will be adding more by the end of this week. I'm actually adding stuff right after I film this video. So I hope you guys enjoy my closet. I make things discounted per usual, and Poshmark is just making it easier for me. So this was just a quick little video sharing my closet sale. I see some sets in here that may have to go because I don't wear them often. Some tops that I know I don't wear. So let's see what we're going to put on the site. So I know for a fact these denim booties, I've never worn them. They're size 9. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on my Poshmark closet. This shirt here, never worn, still has the tags on it. Says hell yeah. Also going on the closet. I have some purses back here. I actually shopped Poshmark before. That's where my Supreme fanny packs are from. I have brand new and gently used shoes, purses, dresses. See down here, too many dresses. So definitely need to put some on my Poshmark closet. So let me go ahead and show you guys how to work the Poshmark app. Again, I have a link down below. If you don't have the Poshmark app, you can use that link to download it. If you already have it, my name is Daquana White on Poshmark, so you can find my closet that way. And if you're looking to sell, just go ahead and check out the app. It's really easy to sell. And again, I did partner with Poshmark to bring you my latest closet sale. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now let's get into the tour of the actual app. Lastly, if you're interested in a full tour of my closet before I move and change it all up, please check out my other channel, Daquana's Feeds, Reads, and Deeds, and I do have an in-depth tour telling you where all the shelving and stuff like that is from. Thank you for joining. So welcome to my home screen. It's like, nah. So I'm just clicking on the Poshmark app, and I'm showing you guys how to list a product. So I already have the photos from when I do hauls. I always screenshot photos of the items because it makes it easier for me if I decide to sell the items later on down the line. So I do have pictures of the items. The first thing I'm going to show you are these denim boots, or are these denim boots. So you can crop it however you like. You can put it in photo grid if you need to make it a square so the person can see the entire item. So I'm just going to create a title for it, which I believe is along the lines of denim booties. So do you guys, when you type stuff, do you go delete it, the whole word, if you don't like it? I used to hate that my brother did that, but now I see myself doing the same thing. So I'm just going to put denim booties. So you do have to create a description as well. So I'm just gonna put, you know, denim booty and not wide friendly, because they are wide friendly, but that's not the description I'm going for. I'm going for like a medium wash denim. So I'm just gonna add a little description to it. And for clothing items, I'm gonna put like the size in the description as well, because sometimes like websites can say it's a 4X, but in all reality, it's more so fitting like a 3X. So yeah. So then you do have to select the category, and I'm just gonna put shoes, and I'm gonna put booties, or it has ankle boots or booties. So I'm gonna select that category, and then also for quantity, it's just gonna be 1. It's optional for you to select that, and then I'm selecting the size, which is a 9, and then this is the brand. So they are originally from Rainbow, and I'm selecting the color blue. And yeah, that's pretty much that. It doesn't have tags. That's optional. You can put Neewer tags or not. The original price, I'm just going to, you know, estimate. I got them so long ago, I don't really know. So they let you know how much, you know, you're going to make after you list it or whatever. So I'm going to press the list. And then I have an item in my closet. It's going to go to my feed, and my followers can see it. People can share it. People can like it. I do like that Poshmark allows you to accept offers as well. So that's my closet so far. And now I'm showing you how I clicked on ASOS Curve, because they have a category, and I saw some jeans that were really cute. They were a size 22. The person listed them for $25. If you click buy now, you can check out with your credit card, debit card, or PayPal. And then this is a good find. This purse right here, this duffel bag from Louis Vuitton, is actually up here for $675. On other sites where it is used, I've seen it up to like $2,000. These shoes right here are originally about $670, $690. They're here gently used for about $495. And then you can also just go type in whatever you're interested in, like Adidas. So you can just scroll through. If you want to filter it by size and color and price and all of that, you can do that as well. But I just went to Adidas and scrolled down a little bit. I eventually found something really rare. So Rita Ora collabed with them before, and they had this 2-piece setup here for $145. I guess because it's sold out in rare and stuff like that. So you can have great finds on here. You can have rare finds. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope this was helpful. And again, I did partner with Poshmark to bring you guys this video. You can use my link down below to download the app. But if you already have the app, go ahead and add me at Daquana White.